Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make another flower. I already made it in two different color, but let's do it together this time with the whites. And to show you what to do, for a start you can make magic loops, or you can make a slip knot, and based on the yarn you have, you can start with between 4 or 5 chain, then join together, make one chain, and in these loops we are going to make 6 single crochet. Five and 6. Then join together, like that. Now we are going to chain 2, and we make one single crochet in the same chain. For the next one we make 1. Next one we are going to make 2 single crochet again, and we repeat by make 1, the next one make 2, make 1, next one 2, and the last one 1, then join together. Row, for the next row we are going to chain 3, then we make 1 double crochet for the next one. In the same space we make another one, and we repeat like that by make 1, the next one 2, next stitch 1 double crochet, next stitch 2 double crochet. One and 2. We are going to join together again, and this is the time to cut the yarn, but just be careful about 20 centimeters more, because at the end we need it. So now we have something like this, or if you want have a bigger like that, you can knit one more row extra, but I'm going to stop it here. Now it's time to change the color. I'm going to use the white one. What we have to do, we are going to make one slip knot, and you can insert anywhere you want on the top of stitches, and take the yarn, make 3 chain. For in the same stitches we are going to make another 2 double crochet like that, and we repeat on the top of each stitches we make 3 double crochet. like that. We're going to keep continue until the end of the row to make 3 double crochet on the top of each stitch. I already finished this row like that. I made 3 double crochet on the top of each stitch. Then I'm going to join together and again start by chain 3. This time on the top of each stitches we are going to make 2 double crochet. So what we have to do, just make 2 double crochet on the top of each stitches. 1 and 2. 1, 2. As you can see here, on the top of each stitch I have 2 double crochet. We're going to keep continue until the end of the row and I'll be back. Now this is the end of this row. We are going to join the job together like that. What we have to do for the next row, we are going to start by chain 5. Then for the next stitch, just make a slip stitch and repeat 5 chain. For the next one, a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a slip stitch like that. We're going to repeat for all of the stitches. And I'll be back. This is the end of this row. I'm going to make the last 5 chain, make a slip stitch here, chain 1, and then cut the yarn and I'm going to use a needle to cover this yarn inside the work by make it between stitches. And then cut the extra yarn. Now it's time to go back to that part. Again, we use needle and we are going to make it like this. As you can see here, the flowers looks like that, but you try to make more this green one. As you can see here, you are going to have this flower, and I told you I already make it in another color. This is the back side of the work, like that, and like this. That's all. I hope you enjoy also this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.